Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials, confirm the intercom's voltage, 120V or 24V, and switch off the breaker to be safe. Once done, lay out tools and measure cable runs so you know lengths exactly. Next, mount the indoor base or panel where it will sit, mark drill holes, then drill and anchor the unit. Make sure to leave slack for connections, this prevents strain. Finally, plan cable path to the outdoor station, so you can feed wires in the next step. You run the cable from the indoor panel to the outdoor station, choosing shielded or CAT5/6 as recommended, and avoiding electrical conduit to reduce interference. Once the cable is in, strip insulation and identify conductors. Match colors to the terminal labels: power, ground, audio, video, and data. Then, attach each conductor to its screw terminal and tighten snugly. Loose screws cause noise. After connections, secure cables with ties and grommets. You restore power and watch the boot sequence. Confirm LEDs indicate normal operation. Once both units are live, enter configuration, set network or IP options if needed, adjust audio levels, chime behavior, call routing, and camera framing so coverage is clear. Then run a full functional test. Place calls, check two-way audio, trigger the door release, and verify video on the monitor. If anything fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Check for loose terminals or swapped pairs, then reseat connectors and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.